Hey there, welcome back. So now that the actual installation part is done, so now let's write a first program, that is the Hello World program. For that, as soon as you open up Eclipse, this thing will open up in front of you. Now out here you have two options. First of all, to create a project, you can either just click this one and make a new project, or you can do it from File, New, and Java project. Now in here, you can just leave all this as default. Don't change anything. Just type in a project name. Let's go with test for our first one. Hit finish. This thing is asking for a new module. It's not necessary right now, so we're just going for don't create. Now out here that you're seeing your package explorer. Now you see your test project has been created. So this is where we'll actually be working. You see these libraries, source folder. So right click on the source folder, go to new, click on class. A similar pop-up comes up. Now out here, click this public static void main. This is one of the method stubs that we would like to create, and type in your class name. Let's keep it hello world. Hit finish. And this is something that Eclipse actually types in for you, because this is all the things that we pre-selected. So we selected something like main, right? So that main was this function that we told Eclipse that okay, you can go ahead and create this function so that it actually do some particular job. Now what does it do? We'll look into it at some later point. But right now, just understand anything that we will be writing on that actually makes a code run will go into this method, the main method. Okay, this is just a comment. You can delete this. Don't need to worry about it. So okay, how do we make a program say hello world for the first time? So in order to do that, you write an system.out.print and just do that. You can remove this, then double quotes, and in here type in hello world. You hit save, Control S, and then in order to run this program, just hit this. So you do that, and there you go. Voila! So you have your first program up and running. Now, what actually happened in this out here? What did we do? Was basically, first of all, we created a class whose name was Hello World, and in it we had a main function which has some particular arguments, and in this we wrote a line that was basically telling the compiler, okay, we want you to print something in the output screen, and that something was Hello World. Anything that goes between these double quote things is something that Java understands. Okay, according to this line, I just have to paste this into the output screen. That is the console. This is how it basically goes. And yeah, there's your first Hello World program. Congratulations, good job.